Hi guys, hope you all are well. It's about to get dark, so I just wanted to introduce this video. So I want to show you how I wash my makeup brushes, and I hope you guys will learn a trick or two. Yeah, so I guess that's it. So what you need is a washing paste, a brush cleaner. It comes in different sizes, and a bar soap. I do prefer using a bar soap though. So starting with our blenders, I'm going to soak them in water with detergent in it. Sometimes I use oil and detergent and water, and then I microwave for like 30 seconds. This ensures all the oils in the foundation comes out. Then you're just going to set this aside. For cleaning the brushes, I am just rubbing the bristles on the soap and ensuring that the foam, doing it until the foam is white, which tells me that the brush is completely clean, and then I just set it aside. I don't rinse. So anyway, what I do is I lather the blender with soap, and then I just rub it until all the product comes out, and again the foam becomes clear. And then while rinsing, just do it repeatedly. Sometimes I soak it because it's easy for the soap to not or for the blender to not be completely clean of soap. Now this is where the brush cleaner comes in. Remember, the brushes were not rinsed, so I just brush the bristles onto the cleaner. This ensures that all the soap comes off the bristles, as well as if there's any product that remained, it also comes off. So guys, I just wanted to address you see this discoloration. This is why I don't use the Action or Morning Fresh basically dishwashing paste, because I found out that it discolors my sponge. And that hack I got from @Jules Hair, who is basically Julia from Over 25. On her channel, she did her washing her brushes thing. So yeah, I saw this and I tried it out, and these were the results. But it works well with the brushes. So now I just want to arrange them and let them dry onto this towel. I usually use a paper towel, but since I'm not home, I don't have any here, so we'll just have to do this. So yeah, so this is how I've arranged them. It's not how you should, it's just how I wanted. And then now I fold, and then now I put the blenders in a different place. And then now I just leave it like this for overnight, and then I'll take them out the following morning. So guys, that's pretty much it about how I wash my brushes. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you learned a thing or two. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.